Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we have a story. It is a moral story. Its name is A Wise Old Owl. There was an old owl who lived in an oak tree. Every day he observed incidents that occurred around him.
Yesterday he watched as a young boy helped an old man carry a heavy basket.
Today he saw a young girl shouting at her mother.
The more he saw, the less he spoke.
As the days went on, he spoke less but heard more. The old owl heard people talking and telling stories. He heard a woman saying an elephant jumped over a fence. He heard a man saying that he had never made a mistake. The old owl has seen and heard what happened to people. There were some who became better, some who became worse. But the old owl in the tree had become wiser each and every day. The moral: be more observant, talk less, and listen more. This will make us wise. If you like our video, please give a like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching our video.